In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom earning types on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper admin permissions, since access to employee pay settings may be limited for some users. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard, so it's easier to follow along. From there, go to the left sidebar and click People. This area is where you can view and manage employee profiles, including compensation and payroll-related settings. When the employee list opens, select the employee you want to set up additional earnings for. Be sure you choose the correct profile, especially if you're managing payroll for multiple team members. After opening the employee's profile, click the Pay tab. This section contains the employee's pay setup, including salary or hourly information, along with any extra earning categories that can be applied during payroll. You'll want to scroll until you find the additional earnings section. Once you see it, click Add to begin creating a new earning type for that employee. Next, click the Earning Type dropdown. This is where Gusto lets you choose the kind of extra compensation you want to make available. Depending on what you need, you can select an option such as additional earnings, commission, cash tips, or paycheck tips. Choose the one that best matches how that employee should be paid. It's important to select carefully here, because the earning type affects how pay is categorized when you process payroll. Once you've selected the earning type, review the earning type details on the screen before moving forward. This is a good time to double-check that everything looks right for the employee and that you've chosen the intended pay category. When you're ready, click Save. After saving, that earning type will be added to the employee's setup and will now be available the next time you run payroll for them. This makes it much easier to apply the correct kind of extra pay without having to reconfigure it each time. If you manage different pay situations regularly, setting this up in advance can help keep payroll more accurate and organized. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom earning type on Gusto for an employee. Thanks for watching.